Alright guys, we're back. Crypto market traded today, Sunday morning today, and we're looking at the Ethereum. I want to talk about the Ethereum because we've talked about the Ethereum before, and I already estimated that we're going to have a breakout on 2836, and we're probably going straight to 3323.7. That's a Fibonacci 161.8 taken on the last previous opposite move. Let's take a look exactly what I'm referring to. So this was the formation preceding this breakout, right? So we've had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the sixth leg that's supposed to break out. And then if you measure a Fibonacci extension 161.8 taken on the fifth leg, because that's the previous opposite move, right? So from top to bottom, 161.8 suggests the price section can continue straight all the way to that 161.8 with no significant technical correction in the way. That's why I'm aiming at that level and not at 3629, because 3629 is a much bigger key level resistance, right? Now price action will make it all the way there. The problem is that we might have, there's a good chance we're going to have a serious technical correction in the way. So I think a likely scenario would be Ethereum shooting up straight up all the way to 3323, right? Almost 24 actually. And then we might have a big, I don't know, we might have a technical correction. It could be a deep one. I can see a move coming from 3323 back to 2836 to retest, pick up support, and then shoot all the way up to that 3629. So I have to break that move into two digestible, pieces, if you will, right? So that's the first piece. Hopefully we're going to get there in one shot, and then, we'll take a step back, take the back seat, if you will, and wait for price action to give us either a technical correction or start to break above 3323 here, and we might then jump back in to catch the second phase of that move from 3323 all the way up to 3629, right? So that's where we are right now with the situation. We jumped back into position. Obviously, we talked about, once we secure a breakout on 2836, that's the trigger. It's on our watch list, right? So I feel like we have been triggered, even though we haven't got a weekly close confirmation yet. My concern is if we're going to wait for that weekly close confirmation, price action might already be, by then, already get to that 3323 level. So there's not much time for us to spare, and we're jumping right into position here with the Ethereum. Alright guys, last thing I want to mention is our stop loss level at 2,690. So 2690, that's our stop loss level. And I'm ready to double up. So the minute price action starts to enter the 3,000 range and starts to kind of move forward beyond that 3,000 mark, I'm going to start considering doubling up our position size. Alright, so get ready. Ethereum is on the move, and we're going to try to ride that move all the way up to the next big target. Alright guys, that's about that for this one. Hope you enjoyed that video. Crypto Trader Today, Ethereum. We're going to be back in the next video. Take care.